In the world of health and wellness, there's always a new diet taking center stage. Two popular contenders have emerged, the carnivore diet and the plant-based diet. Both have passionate followers claiming incredible results. But which one truly holds the key to better health? This essay will be your guide to understanding these contrasting diets. We'll explore their principles, benefits, and potential drawbacks. Our goal is to empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your own dietary needs. Get ready to dive into the fascinating debate of carnivore versus plant-based. Let's uncover the truth about these dietary approaches and find out which one might be your perfect match. The carnivore diet, as the name suggests, is all about meat. This means embracing animal products like beef, poultry, fish, and eggs. But that's not all. Some followers also include high-fat dairy products. What's strictly off-limits? You guessed it. Plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. The idea behind the carnivore diet is to return to our ancestral roots. Proponents believe that early humans thrived on a meat-heavy diet. They argue that modern diseases are a result of our departure from this natural way of eating. The carnivore diet is quite restrictive, but its proponents claim it offers a range of health benefits. These include weight loss, increased energy, and improved mental clarity. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into these potential benefits and explore any downsides to consider. Advocates of the carnivore diet point to several health benefits. One of the most touted advantages is weight loss. By eliminating carbohydrates, the body enters a state of ketosis. This metabolic state forces the body to burn fat for fuel instead of glucose from carbs. Another claimed benefit is improved mental clarity. Proponents believe the high-fat content of the diet provides the brain with sustained energy. They also suggest that eliminating plant compounds might reduce brain fog. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides. The carnivore diet is extremely restrictive. This makes it difficult to sustain long-term and can lead to nutrient deficiencies. Additionally, the high intake of saturated fat raises concerns about heart health. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before embarking on the carnivore diet. They can help assess your individual needs and monitor your progress. On the opposite end of the spectrum lies the plant-based diet. This way of eating prioritizes foods derived from plants. This includes fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. While some variations allow for small amounts of animal products, the focus remains on plant-based goodness. The plant-based diet has gained immense popularity in recent years. This is due to its numerous health benefits and growing awareness of its positive impact on the environment. People are drawn to its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods and its potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases. From reducing the risk of heart disease to improving gut health, the plant-based diet offers a wide array of potential benefits. In the next section, we'll explore these advantages in detail. We'll also address any potential downsides to consider when adopting a plant-based lifestyle. Section 5. Green goodness, plant-based perks and pitfalls. The plant-based diet is praised for its abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients play a vital role in protecting against chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Additionally, the fiber content in plant-based foods promotes gut health and aids in digestion. Another benefit of a plant-based diet is its potential for weight management. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat compared to animal products. This makes it easier to maintain a healthy weight without feeling deprived. However, it's important to be mindful of potential pitfalls. One concern is the risk of nutrient deficiencies, particularly vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products. It's crucial to incorporate fortified foods or supplements to address this potential shortfall. Another consideration is the importance of consuming a variety of plant-based foods. This ensures you're getting a wide range of nutrients and prevents boredom with your diet. Section 6. Comparing plates, carnivore versus plant-based. Now that we've explored both diets individually, let's compare their approaches side by side. The carnivore diet, with its focus on animal products, eliminates entire food groups. This restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. The plant-based diet, on the other hand, embraces a wide variety of plant-based foods. This approach provides a broader spectrum of nutrients and is generally considered more sustainable for long-term health. Both diets have the potential to promote weight loss, but through different mechanisms. The carnivore diet relies on ketosis, while the plant-based diet focuses on calorie control and nutrient density. The effectiveness of each approach can vary depending on individual factors. Ultimately, the best diet for you depends on your individual needs, preferences, and health goals. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most suitable approach for your unique circumstances. Section 7. Weight Loss Wonders. Which diet reigns supreme? Both the carnivore and plant-based diets have garnered attention for their potential to promote weight loss. The carnivore diet, with its elimination of carbohydrates, forces the body to burn fat for fuel. This metabolic shift, known as ketosis, can lead to rapid weight loss in the short term. Plant-based diets, while not as restrictive, can also be effective for weight management. Plant-based foods are generally lower in calories and fat compared to animal products. Additionally, the fiber content in plant-based foods promotes satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer. While both diets can contribute to weight loss, it's important to note that sustainability is key. The restrictive nature of the carnivore diet can make it challenging to maintain long-term. Plant-based diets, with their emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods, offer a more sustainable approach to weight management. Ultimately, the most effective diet for weight loss is the one you can stick to consistently over time. It's essential to find an approach that aligns with your preferences and lifestyle. Section 8. Clear thinking and mood boosting. Food for thought. Beyond weight loss, both the carnivore and plant-based diets have been linked to improvements in mental clarity and mood. Proponents of the carnivore diet claim that the high-fat content provides the brain with sustained energy, while the elimination of plant compounds reduces brain fog. Plant-based diets, on the other hand, are rich in antioxidants and other brain-boosting nutrients. These nutrients protect the brain from oxidative stress, which is linked to cognitive decline. Additionally, the fiber in plant-based foods supports a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a role in mood regulation. While both diets offer potential cognitive benefits, more research is needed to determine the long-term effects. It's important to note that factors such as sleep, stress management, and exercise also play a significant role in cognitive function and mood. Section 9. Fighting inflammation. Diet as your weapon. Chronic inflammation is a major contributor to many chronic diseases. Both the carnivore and plant-based diets have been studied for their potential to reduce inflammation. The carnivore diet, with its elimination of processed foods and refined sugars, can help reduce inflammation in the short term. However, the high intake of saturated fat on the carnivore diet can also contribute to inflammation in the long run. Plant-based diets, on the other hand, are abundant in anti-inflammatory compounds such as antioxidants, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, you can provide your body with a powerful arsenal of anti-inflammatory nutrients. Reducing processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats is also crucial for combating inflammation. Section 10. The big question. Are animal products bad? The debate surrounding animal products and their impact on health is a complex one. While animal products can be a source of protein, vitamins, and minerals, they can also contribute to health problems when consumed in excess. Red meat, in particular, has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Processed meats, such as bacon and sausage, are also associated with negative health outcomes. Plant-based protein sources such as beans, lentils, tofu, and tempeh offer a healthier alternative. These foods are naturally cholesterol-free and low in saturated fat. They are also good sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. If you choose to include animal products in your diet, opt for leaner cuts of meat and poultry. Limit your intake of red meat and processed meats. Focus on incorporating a variety of plant-based protein sources into your meals. Section 11. The final bite. Finding your perfect diet match. In the battle of carnivore versus plant-based, there is no one-size-fits-all answer. Both diets have their pros and cons. The best choice for you depends on your individual needs, preferences, and health goals. If you're considering the carnivore diet, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help you assess your individual needs, and monitor your progress. Be aware of the potential risks associated with such a restrictive diet. The plant-based diet, with its emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods, offers a more sustainable approach to long-term health. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods, you can provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Ultimately, the key to a healthy and sustainable diet is finding an approach that works for you. Listen to your body, experiment with different foods, and seek guidance from a qualified healthcare professional. With the right information and support, you can make informed choices that support your overall well-being. So what do you think? Does the carnivore diet make sense to you, or do you still prefer a plant-based approach? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on healthy living.